What's going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks, put you at advantage on the market. So this is the $2,000 to $10,000 penny stock challenge, you guys. If you haven't seen the first episode, go ahead and check that out. That was last week that I posted that. I tried to post this as a live stream again. I didn't have enough time this weekend to actually figure that out. Hopefully sometime this week I'll be able to do that with you guys, so we'll be able to chat and communicate while I'm trading live. I did post a couple charts that I broke down this morning. I didn't get to the full 7 because I ran out of time. I didn't even have time to actually break down the charts that I wanted to trade this morning, but I do it for you guys. So if you guys want to check those out, you can go ahead and check those out. I posted those as well. So right now, currently, I already am in 3 positions. Right now, I'm in ZOM, Naked, and SNDL. Right now for ZOM, I'm almost up $11. I have my first target to $1.11, so that'll reach a target of between $200. But like I said, that's our goal. We're only risking a minimum of $100 per trade, and our target is always between $200 to $300 per day. So that way, if I do lose a trade and lose that $100, I have the next day or two to actually win one trade and still come out on top with a profit. So this is why we always minimize our losses and always set our targets a little bit higher. And that being between always like 3 to 1 or 2 to 1 bare minimum. You never want to go 1 to 1, because if you lose one trade and then you lose another trade, you're going to be in the hole. And on top of that, you're going to be you're going to be either break even or you're going to be under. So you always want to have a 3 to 1 target. But what sucks on my end is that since I'm strictly day trading and not swing trading, if my target is not hit by 2 or 3 p.m., I have to close that order and basically just take whatever I can get. So that's what happened last week, is that last week we were actually going to close in the red, but ultimately it was a good buy setup for a swing trade. So by the end of the day, I was hoping that it would still hit my target, and never did. So we only closed for a profit of like $2. But if I would have held that following morning, we probably would have been up almost $200 for the morning. So, but unfortunately, we never hit that, and it's okay. We always have the next day. So, yeah, we're still ranging between $20 to $30 for ZOM right now. Naked and SNDL are other stocks that I'm in. Currently, I'll tell you exactly where I bought in at those entries. For those ones, I'm down like $2 or $3. I have my stop loss set for each of those. I'll explain here in a second where I have those at. Hopefully this support holds for ZOM. That'd be really good, and we can hit our target. I think I set my target to for ZOM. I had my target. My first target is $1.20, which is all the way up here. I don't think we'll reach all the way up here, but I'd probably close between $1.16 or $1.12. I'd be happy with that. I have my stop loss, I think, below this stop over here. I have my stop for ZOM at $1. Oh no. Oh yeah, I have it at 94 cents. So that's at this support line. So if we break below this support line, then we'll probably be out. I think that'll be close to our $100 stop. The other ones I'm only risking like 20 bucks, I think, for each of those trades. So I'm not really worried if I get tagged out of these ones. Hopefully Naked could start reversing right here on this little minor support. SNDL, it looks like we're going to be pulling back down to this full stop. I'm sorry, our support line down here. This was my original ideal entry, is at the 83 cent area. I still might add right now. I might add an additional 84 cents to this specific one. 84. I could probably wait to the 83 cent area. Where do I have my? I have my stop for SNDL at the 80 cent area. So that is going to be down here under these candlestick wicks. And I have my first target at $1. So that's back up here. But yeah, if this comes back down to 83, I'm gonna go ahead and add those shares right now. So that's 72 shares added to SNDL. Go ahead and just add that. I'm not gonna set a stop for that. Order minimum of order size is 100. Oh, well, we were close. You might be able to add that to Naked though. But we'll see what happens with that one. I'm not really 100% on Naked. Like I said, my ideal entry for Naked was back down at the 57. But I was trying to see if I could catch a quick scalp trade for, for Naked. I might close my position for Naked. I'm not 100% sure yet. Yeah, I might end up closing my position for Naked, and we'll take the profit of like, I don't know, $5. Well, let's see. Alright, so I closed the position for Naked. Let me see. I think that was for only like a couple dollars. Yeah, $2 for that one. So, and then ZOM I'm up 18 as of right now. And SNDL I'm down $5. So let's see. Hopefully SNDL can hold right here and at least turn back up from this area. But like I said, more than likely we'll pull back down to the 82 or 83 cent area before we see anything. The only thing I don't like is that I might have to, I don't want to swing trade because like I said, I want to make this strict, but some of these stocks move pretty slow throughout the day. So yeah, the ZOM is back up at $1. It seems to be holding up pretty well in this area. It's fluctuating between that $18 and $24 level. I could close and still have a decent profit. But like I said, we want to be able to hit that goal of at least $100 or $200. And I only closed that other order because, like I said, we're pushing up into this resistance up here, and we did gap down. So I was really just trying to catch a scalp trade. So I was really wanting to get out at the 70 cent area, but it's a really risky trade with all this prior resistance over here. So I didn't want to have to chase that one around too much. So yeah, but again, I apologize that I'm not able to have the live stream up today, you guys. I was really looking forward to it, so that way I could chat live. But it's okay. We always got Wednesday. But yeah, if you think about it, you know, if we actually were to hit these daily goals of between, you know, $200 to $300 a day, let's just say I hit $300 a day, right? $300 a day for the 5 days that we can trade. If I were to hit that for the entire month, that's $6,000 in 1 month, you guys. Minus probably the losses that we have with the minimum losses. Let's just say if we had 1 loss a week, that's $400. So it would still be up like almost $4,000 or $5,000 if we lost more than that 4 times. But yeah, if it ends up the stock start moving a little bit slower, I'll probably cut this video down towards the end of the day when I close, and that way you guys can see the overall ending of today on how today's trades went. Excuse me. I wonder if Doge is pulling back yet. I wouldn't doubt it. Can't find it. All stocks, my watch list. Yeah. Oh. Could buy 124 of these. But is it worth it? Let's see. We're in this upward trend. Now starting this downward trend. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that one. Run. Look at FAMI, you guys. Went up 20% this morning. You know, I had a feeling that this was going to happen with this one because look at this. Woo! It dropped down almost like it had to be over 50% at least. That was crazy. Look at this parabolic. Boom. I wouldn't doubt that we came back up to the 79-cent area. I could buy 114 of this. Let me see if I can find a good entry for it. We hit our lows of 50 cents. Let's just say we put in 114. We set a tight stop loss at 52.27. $52.27. That's a $1 risk, and we'll set our first target to 56 cents. That makes us $3 profit. But we are up 19%, you guys. Yeah, to me, I mean, it looks overextended as of right now. I don't even think that's worth just playing around with. What you doing, Sundial? Oh yeah, look at this beautiful downtrend, you guys. Creating this higher low. It's gonna come up and then boom, come back down to our 82-cent level. I think by then I should be able to at least get 800 or 100 shares. Zom is trying. But on the 5-minute, it shows we're in a downtrend as well. And we did break below our support that we were at the $1.11. So it's not good. But like I said, if we come back down to this 93-cent area, that would have been the initial entry that I would have got in, you guys. Hopefully we can hold. All right, so I think I'm gonna cut this and then come back in like an hour or two and see kind of where we're at, you guys. I'll give you guys an update. All right, we're doing a quick little update real quick. It's been like an hour and a half. So for ZOM, let me just zoom out. Let me go to the 1 hour real quick. So that we literally pulled all the way back down to that 96-cent area or the 97-cent area. We're starting to find a support there. We kind of gapped up just a little bit. Hopefully we can at least come back up to this $1.10 area. The only problem is that now we have all this minor resistance that we're under. So now we have to not only move back up into this area, but we have to break all this resistance. So hopefully buyers will step up and we can break past that and hit our goal of $1.10 or $1.20 by the end of today. If we're not anywhere near that by 2 or 3 o'clock, I might close the order. But if we're close and we're about to close, I might swing trade this. Unfortunately, that would break the day trading trend that I'm trying to do for you guys. But ultimately, doing this specifically is already difficult. So you guys just gotta kind of work with me, okay? And as for Sundial, it's kind of doing the same exact thing. I told you that we would pull back down to that 83-cent area, and that's where we're at. We're at that 83-cent area. This is the make it or break it moment if this support will hold. Because if you look back here, we've already tested this area so many times that if it bounces up and it pulls back down again, we're breaking through this. That means buyers are no longer here, you guys, and they're no longer gonna step up for a minute. And that would probably be until we come back down into the 44 or 47-cent area or the 43-cent area, which, I mean, ultimately, I truly believe, like I said, that Sundial will go to the moon eventually. But as of right now, if we do not hold this support, we're going back to that 43-cent area, 100% guaranteed. If we break below this support line, so keep that in mind, and just know that that'll be like another 30% drop. So yeah, luckily I have my stop loss below this, so if it does start going parabolic and like going crazy, dropping through this level, then I'll get tagged out immediately and avoid that huge drop that if it were to initially do. But hopefully we don't do that and we can bounce from this level. Like I said, this is the make it break it moment. So we'll either find out today or later this week if we're going to start changing directions here. So, I mean, overall, we've just been bouncing around in this area, not doing much. Like I said, finding the support. But this is the time that we find out if buyers are really here or if sellers are still in control. And kind of the same thing with ZOM, you guys. If we break below this support level, then if we pull back down to this 73-cent area, more than likely we'll continue this downtrend, and then obviously you'd want to get out and wait for a better entry. But as of right now, like I said, it's already broke past this resistance over here. It's came up, came back down, and now it's retesting this for further confirmation that buyers are trying to step up. So, I mean, overall, we're okay for now, but it's really close, you guys, as of right now. So we just have to be very careful. Like I said, I already got out of naked, so I got out of that hot mess. Back to Sundial. Yeah, not looking good. But I'll give you guys another update in probably another 2 or 3 hours, and we'll see if we lost profit today or if I'm going to end up swing trading. So you guys will be updated on that here soon. So I'll check back on you guys. Guys, so it's approximately about 3 hours later since the other 2 trades that I was in. So like I said, I closed naked for like only a couple dollars profit. And Sundial, I ended up getting tagged out. So in total, I'm only down $40. Like I said, I try to risk only $100 per day. So we're well below that. However, it is 2 o'clock, so there's only 2 hours left in the market. And so technically, I'm still in ZOM right now. I have about $1,200 in ZOM. Excuse me. So I have my stop loss below our major support line. I believe that was at the 88 cents. I don't believe that we're going to get to my target or down here by today. So instead of just closing for a red, I'm actually going to swing trade this probably throughout the week. And then on Wednesday, I'll day trade the other $1,000 that I have, or the $800 I have. Since we're only using 2,000, I am going to use whatever profit I make from this. It'll still be accumulated with the 2,000 to the 10,000 that I make, but the other profit that I'll make, I'll either be putting into crypto or be using the day trade as well with that. But I think most of that I'm going to be investing into either a cryptocurrency or another penny stock. So, but either way, you guys, we're getting there. Like I said, we will have red days. So far, overall, through both the trades that I have, I've only lost like the amount that I had lost today. And so our target I have set is going to be around the $1.12 area. So if we do hit that within the later this week, that'll make us $250. So we'll make a around $220 profit minus the losses that we've had from today. So I do apologize that I didn't get to hit my target or anything like that. I can't really make the stocks move faster, unfortunately. Even though we have almost 39 million volume, we're not really moving very much on ZOM. But other than that, you guys, I'll make an update on this video. Probably by Wednesday, we'll do an update because that's when I'll be trading again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for our next trades, and stay tuned for tomorrow morning for the charts that I break down daily. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.